Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make these delicious mini fajita baked wraps. Okay, so let's start. Here we have all the ingredients you will need: chicken slices, onion, peppers, mozzarella, black and green olives, shredded mozzarella, burger sauce, and your spices. All the exact measurements will be in the description below. Let's start by frying our chicken. Add oil to your pan, then add in your chicken. Add your spices. Now add onion and bell pepper. Fry it on medium heat until soft and cooked. Now let's fill our wraps. Spread burger sauce at the bottom. Add in your chicken, some black and green olives, mozzarella, and shredded mozzarella. Roll your wrap and cut it to 3 equal pieces. Place it in your cake tin. Keep doing this until all your ingredients are finished. Add grated mozzarella on top and bake it in a preheated oven for about 10 to 15 minutes until golden brown. And here is the final result. Now all you have to do is enjoy. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please leave a comment down below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on your notifications so you will be notified whenever we post a new video. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.